Hello, good morning. I am going to write a program which reduces a given integer to a single digit number. Supposing the integer is, we are going to consider is 2123. The sum of the digits, so 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus it is 8. So it is reduced to a single digit. Supposing you take a number like 98, so 9 plus 8 it is 17. It is not a single digit number. So it requires further again reduction. So 1 plus 8, so it is a single digit number. So if you take a number like 498, so 4 plus 9 plus 8 it is 21. So 21 is again a 2-digit number, so 2 plus 1 it is 3. So another number is 4 nines, so it is 36, so 3 plus 6 it is 9. So supposing I take 888, so 8 plus 8 plus 8, so it is 24, so 2 plus 4 it is 6. So our idea is to reduce the given number to a single digit number. So your process of this involves process of separating each digit, finding their sum, and if the sum of the digit, if it is a single digit, you stop, and if the sum of the digits is a 2-digit number, you need to repeat the process. So one important thing is we do not know how many times this separating the digits should be done, and their sum should be found out. After finding out the sum, if the sum is again more than a single digit, it requires a process. So as I already told you, so for problems like this, what kind of looping statement is better? So our choice is always a while loop. Why? Because we do not know how many times the repetition is going to take place. So I have written a simple program, a while loop within the while loop. So we say nested while loops. Nested while loop. So first I ask you to prompt a number, and if the number is more than 1-digit, that's what you say. If it is a more than 1-digit number, then I must find the sum of the digits. So I have declared here two variables, n and m, n and sum. I prompted for it, and if the value of n is greater than 0, you first initialize sum to 0, and while n is greater than 0, say you find the sum. This part every time takes 1 digit. Supposing it is 98, so this n mod 10 will separate this 9. So already the sum is 0, so 98, this 8 will be added to this, it becomes 8. And now n is n by 10, so this 98 is reduced to 9. And again that is stored in n. N earlier it was 98, now it is 9. So because this is greater than 0, again it is found. So this 9 is added to the sum. So it becomes 17. So again this n becomes now 0. And because the n is greater than 0 is false, because n is 0 now print the sum of the sum is sum. So it is 17 now. And now again I have initialized, again I have assigned the sum to n. So now what happens is, again this outer while loop. So while this is greater than 9, so 17 is greater than 9. Therefore again the process starts. Again you initialize sum to 0, and because n is greater than 0, because now the new value of n is 17, it is greater than 0. Now you said sum is assigned to sum plus n mod 10. So n mod 10, the 17 mod 10 you will get 7 here. That 7 comes here. And now n is n divided by 10. So 17 by 10, it will get the value as 1. And while 1 is greater than 0, again sum is. So sum is assigned to sum plus n mod 10. So this now the new value of n is 1, as just now said. So 7 plus 1, it becomes 8. So again now the next value of n is n mod 10, therefore it becomes 0. Now I said while n is greater than 0, that is false, therefore you will come out of it, and the sum is 8 now. And n is 8. Now the new value of n will be 8 again. As it is a single digit number, n is greater than 8, n is greater than 9 is false, therefore you will be exiting the while loop. So finally the sum of the digits for this number 98 will be 8. First 98 becomes 17, then 17 becomes 8. So this is how the problem is solved. Thank you.